Good afternoon, parents, and welcome to our tutorial on how to use Google Classroom. Google Classroom is a website or an app that you can use on your portable devices to access our online learning. On Google Classroom, you will find all the tasks that your teachers post ready for you to complete on the days you are learning online. So you will need to have access to Google and type in Google Classroom. You'll find the first email address, classroom.google.com. Please click on that link. And you need to type in your email address that your class teachers should have given to you already. If you are unsure of your email address, please get in contact with your class teacher. All our email addresses have @student.dbswakra.com at the end. Please make sure there are no spaces in between our email address. And then once you are happy, press next. You'll be asked to type in your password. If you would like to see your password, what you are typing, you may click on the I. If you are happy and you can complete it without seeing the letters, then no need to have that. Okay, so once you've entered in your email address and your password, it will bring you through to a page that looks like this. And here you can see that I have been asked to join 2D and 2B Classroom. So I am going to press join. And it now brings me to my 2D and 2B Classroom. If I scroll down, I can see the home page where the stream of learning and updates have been uploaded. First of all, if I scroll down, I can see a good morning post. And my teacher has said you may say good morning to each other here in this post. We normally would say good morning to each other here in school, so here is an opportunity for you to say good morning to your friends. When you post here, everyone in your class will see your reply. And the teacher has posted a video. You can click on the video to see what your teacher has to say. My teacher has also told me the activities which have also been listed here in the video. So the first activity is English. In today's lesson, you will learn about how to use capital letters and full stops. Watch the video and then click on the link to complete the Kahoot quiz. Every day you'll be provided with 6 online tasks. Each will have a video for you to watch and then an activity. So first of all, I need to watch the video to find out my learning. And I can press play. Please remember that you can pause the video at any time. You can rewind the video at any time to recap or go back over any points that you need to hear again. Once you've watched the video, it now tells me to complete the Kahoot quiz. So I'm going to click on the link. Kahoot is a way of quizzing our knowledge Lots of teachers like to use this to see what the children are able to complete. Okay, so it's asking me to join the game. It's asking me to enter a nickname. Please put in your name in your class so your teacher is able to know who has completed the quiz. Which of these are capital letters? I have 60 seconds here. It's got a timer. It will tell me how long I have to answer the question. Here is the question at the top, and these are my choices of answers. When I know which answer I want to press, I can press it, and it will tell me if I am right or wrong. The sooner you answer the question, the higher the points that you are able to receive, and press next. And continue with the quiz. So that is one style of activity that you might receive in Google Classroom. For that activity, all you need to do is complete Google Classroom. There is nothing else to upload. My next activity, what do you predict will happen in this story? Look at the front cover of this book, write a short prediction on this post about what you think will happen in this story. Now, I can click here and look at the image. This is the front cover of the story, The Lazy Giant. I can make my prediction. Here is a class comment. Here on the right hand side of the page, it tells me I can type in my answer. I think that in this story, the lazy giant asks other people to do his jobs for him. Full stop. When I'm happy with that, I'm then going to click here, hand in, and my teacher will see, and my classmates will see that I have answered the question. Press hand in. And now my answer has gone through. It says that I can see classmates' answers. So I can have a look. If I would like to reply to my classmates' answers, I can click reply and a comment. If you would like a private comment with your teacher, perhaps because you don't understand the question, you can type in here. Hello, miss. Please can you give me some more help? And press send. Your teacher will receive a private comment. If you want a class comment, this will just go to everybody in your Google Classroom. Okay. So I've done my English. I've done what do you predict? My art lesson. Today you'll look at a new artist and sketch an artist style. I can read these instructions. I've got an example of a video. And I can see that my teacher has uploaded something in Google Slides. And I can have a look at this and use this following the instructions. And then another video on how to sketch. My activity asked me to make a portrait sculpture using fruits and vegetables and sketch. So I need to submit my learning when I've done. Here on the right, it asks me to submit my work, so add or create. You can attach a file once you have completed. You may scan the pieces of work once you're finished or take a photograph. ready to upload. So I'm going to select the 2 files that I have done for this activity. Okay, so now that it has uploaded, it says when you're ready to submit all your files for this assignment, remember to hand it in. When you hand it in, it will go to the teacher and the teacher will be able to give you feedback once it's been handed in. So please press hand in. If you are submitting your work a day later or a few days later, please reply to your teacher with a private comment so that they are able to give you feedback, as your teachers do not receive emails once you've handed in your work. So if it's later than a day, please put in a private comment to your teacher. Okay, that's the art lesson complete. PE, I have a post to read. There is nothing to submit because I do not have anything here on the right hand side of the page, but it does tell me once you've completed your workout, please comment on this video, and you can even film yourself and send the video. So I'm going to comment on the video once I have completed the workout. And press post. This way my teacher knows that I have completed the post or the activity, and if I'm able to get somebody to film me, I can forward the video onto my PE teachers. Maths. In today's lesson, you learn how to identify tens and ones in a number. Watch the video and then complete the 6 questions on the activity sheet. So watch the video. Once I've done the learning, upload the learning. You can download scanning apps on your tablets or your mobile devices to allow you to send this on Google Classroom, or you can just take a picture. Please make sure the picture is clear so the teacher is able to receive and mark it correctly. It has been uploaded now. There's nothing else for me to upload. It's just one worksheet, so I'm going to press hand in. And that is my maths lesson complete. One more, I've got a spelling quiz to do. For this spelling quiz, all you have to do is pick the word that is spelled correctly. Okay, and then I'm going to answer the questions. And press submit. I can view my score, and it will give me a score if it is a quiz. I can press mark as done. Although in this case I have not had to upload anything, the teacher will know that I have completed the Google form. And finally, my teacher has given me an end of the day message and has told me when I will be online again for me to read. So your teacher will send a good morning message with your timetable and tasks for the day. Your teacher will also send an end of the day message to tell you when you are next, either in school or online. If you would like to reply to your teacher as a class comment, you may do so here. If you want to see your classwork because you are not able to get to it straight away, you can view your work here, and it will tell you what tasks you have handed in. Any tasks that have been returned means that your teacher has completed their feedback and they have sent it back to you, so you know that it has been looked at. If it has been assigned, that means you have been given work to complete, but it hasn't been completed yet. And if it's missing, perhaps you have missed the deadline and will need to complete your learning. But so far, my learning is all handed in. That is all you will need to know for Google Classroom. Please check the stream every day when you are online. Please check classwork if you need to see what work you have been assigned and what work has been returned by your teacher. Remember to hand in your learning by attaching a file if it needs to. And if you are submitting your learning late, please send a private comment to your teacher. It is a good skill also to remember to log out once you have finished, especially if you are sharing devices. Hopefully this tutorial has helped you. If you do need anything else, please get in touch. Thank you.